Definitely. All right. Well, hey, everyone. I'm Dina Henry with Keller Williams Nashville Integrity Home Group. Today I'm here with Jill and Aaron from Cooking Around Town. Hey, Jill and Aaron, can you tell us a little bit about yourself, your business, and what you all do?
You want me to start?
You start. You talk.
All right. I'm Aaron Satterlee, and this is my wife, Jill Satterlee. She's the brains of the operation. I just follow her lead in this. But we're a local meal prep company that works off of two different menus. First of all, we've got our Eat Clean menu, which is organic ingredients, prepared cleanly, so good food, cooked cleanly, individual meals in 3 different serving sizes. And then we've also got our weekly meal prep, which is 6 new menu items. They change every week, offers a lot of variety, a lot of different flavors to meet a lot of different tastes. So we're local here. We've been in Mount Juliet for 18 years, so we kind of consider ourselves from Tennessee at this point, but a local business that is supported by local customers. Everything about our business is done right here in Mount Juliet, and that's where we want to stay. We don't have any plans of getting huge, getting nationwide. We just love this local support, and we really enjoy being part of the community.
Well, we enjoy you being a part of our community. Jill, did you want to add anything extra to that?
The only thing that kind of struck me was our Eat Clean meal side is individual servings.
Okay.
Make them in a single serving size. There's variety in the weekly meal prep where you can order 1, 2, 4, 6, or 8 servings per meal. So it provides, family style meals.
Sure. No, and I just have to say I've used your meal prep service a few times while I was in prep for my fitness competitions, and it has really come in handy for myself. Good. And then not only my family. So when I went away on my competitions, I actually bought your grab and goes, and so that my family had meals as well while I was gone. So it is awesome. Yeah. So tell me a little, how has COVID affected your business, and how did you pivot your business during COVID, if anything?
I mean, I'll talk about how we pivoted a little bit. We're very fortunate in the way that our business is set up already. We didn't have to do a lot of changing other than really when we had to kind of close the doors and not let people, enter for congregating in the small lobby area that we had. We're kind of set up for curbside. So it's kind of the way that our business works anyway. People would just text us when they arrived, and we would bag up their items and bring it outside. So our business model really kind of fit for COVID, which was a really big blessing. How did it affect us?
Yeah, we're not a restaurant, so we were already set up for takeout or curbside pickup. So that was an easy transition for us. So people were already used to doing it. We didn't have to change anything or get people to adjust to a new way of doing business.
Sure.
So but the thing that really helped get people aware of us is if you remember, when there was a toilet paper shortage, there was also a grocery shortage. So everywhere you went, there were lines, but also we got hit with that tornado. And so a lot of the big food places were shut down. So there was really one place that everybody could go in the food business. And so people were saying, well, we don't want to go out because we're not sure what COVID is going to be like. But if you want to go do it, we'll pay you to go do it. So that really kind of gave us a nice little spike in our business and awareness. And it as much as food businesses were affected negatively in COVID, we're very thankful that it was just a positive effect. Sure. And it really helped to carry us through the year and kind of put us on a nice solid footing going into 2021. So.
Oh, that's awesome. And that's so great to hear that it hasn't affected your business. Are there any other services that you offer besides meal prep, or what else sets you apart from maybe other meal prep planning businesses?
The thing that we know sets us apart is the 2 menus. That's our difference. Meal prep companies usually either kind of the organic, the Eat Clean side of it, or they do more of the meal prep. So having 2 menus, I think, makes us unique, where you can still eat as clean as you want, but then maybe if your family isn't into the way you're eating clean, you can, just like you did when you had your competition, you bought some regular meals for your family, but you had your clean meals. That really separates us. The other thing is that sometimes it gives us a little bit of difficulty is that we welcome picky eaters. So you can go online and say, well, that sounds great, but I'm gluten-free, or I don't like tomatoes, I don't like onions, put the cheese on the side. Sometimes it'll give her heartburn to see all the special requests. But we do think that separates us as well as trying to accommodate different tastes and different dietary needs.
Well, I think that's amazing that you can accommodate those. That's awesome.
Yeah, the other thing that we have done in the past, and I don't want to make any promises for the future, but we've been involved in doing cooking camps for kids.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, with COVID last summer, we did not take on the responsibility of having camps. We just steered away from that. But I've done cooking camps for over 10 years in the summer, and it's a really, really fun time for kids to get in the kitchen and experience different. We'll do different themes. We might do a week of baking, a week of international food, and a week of American classics, and they just get to learn, about a lot of different ingredients, putting a lot of different meals together, and that's been so much fun. I mean, I was a school teacher, and so I love my time in the kitchen with kids. Maybe sometime in the future again, but we haven't done it in a while. But that's a part a little bit too.
Well, I know I would definitely look forward to that opportunity to bring my kids in, or at least one of them. And so I'm hoping that you guys get to do that too.
Very good.
If you had one thing to say during these times, what would it be?
Number one, we're just so thankful that Mount Juliet and the surrounding area turned to our business during this time. I mean, especially with what's happened with restaurants nationwide, we sit here and we shake our heads thinking, geez Louise, how did we make it through this? And we're just so very thankful. We can't even express it enough. But also just with as crazy as things seem to be right now, we can offer a service that just takes one worry out of your life. You don't have to worry about what you're going to put on the table each night. You don't have to go out and shop. You don't have to plan. You don't have to prepare. You just stop in, you either order ahead or stop in and get a meal. And we really do hope that it just makes your life a little bit easier. Just grabbing something, putting it on the table, and you don't have to worry about one part of your life. So, but we're just very thankful. So.
Well, tell us how we can get in touch with you and how we can reach you so that we can order your wonderful food.
Oh, okay. We have a Facebook page that'll give you a link to our website, and the website is www.cookingaround.town. So it's a little bit different than a normal website, but it's www.cookingaround.town. You can check out our website. You can send us an email at cookingaroundtown@gmail.com or stop in and see us. We're kind of old school with technology. We're both laughing about using Zoom. We're old school. We'd love for you to come in and see us face to face. We have a wide open space here. You can see the food being prepared. It's not a kitchen behind closed doors. You can see everything being made. So we hope that in the uncertain times, you see, hey, they're not trying to, everything's right there. And we run a very clean operation. And so it's come in and see us. We prefer that the best. So.
Awesome. Well, thank you again. If you haven't tried Cooking Around Town, you need to. Again, I absolutely loved it when I was in my prep for my fitness competition. Same thing with my family. Love your meals. Go give them a try. And thank you, Jill and Aaron, so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Dina.
so much,
We sure
Dina.
appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
All right.